Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I'm pretty excited today because I got my first of the year on this one. My first one. Mrs. Talking Bullion and I have been talking about getting some of this stuff rolling again. Prices are high, we know they are, but sometimes you got to do it. Now, we happened to catch this on a little bit of a downturn. Was pretty happy with what we paid for them. So it's really pretty cool that we were able to pick them up. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this cut open. I'm anxious to get them into my hands for the first time this year. Tear this plastic off of here. There we go. There's that. And let me see. Looks like we need to cut like this. And this package right there. Most people will know where that's coming from. Let's get all this other stuff. They threw some packaging material in there, so that's pretty cool. Got some literature. I don't need that. Alright. So, SD bearing supply. Got a little tab on here to pull. Let's pull that tab. They never pull the whole way, do they? They're always rip off. Doesn't matter what you're opening. Alright. There we go. Like I see one thing in here. Oh no, it came out of the package. Say it isn't so. It is right there. Oh, it came out. It is the American Silver Eagle. Let me zoom in a little bit. I'm going to put my glove on because I'm going to put this one away and I don't want to fingerprint it up. So here we go. Oh, see? Dropped it twice, just trying to get it up to the camera. It's because these gloves are slippery. Look at that, the 2021 American Silver Eagle. Is she a beauty or what? Alright, so most of these are referred to as Type 1 because they have the original eagle on there that's been on there since 1986 when these were first made. And let me turn off my overhead light. I think we can get a better look at that. Those overhead lights tend to cause a lot of yellowing. I've got these nicer lights here, and overhead light just kind of blocks them out. Alright, pretty cool. So I'm going to make a suggestion here momentarily about the Type 1, Type 2. So again, this is a Type 1 because it's the old design. And Type 2 is supposed to be coming out sometime in the middle of the year with a new design on the back. And some security features. So what else is in this package? So why don't we go ahead and see? Hopefully these aren't open. Ooh, here we go. A full roll of 2021 American Silver Eagles. So let's pop this thing open. Take a look. 2021. Alright, so I got a proposal. I'm going on a mission. I'm going on a journey here. And I'm saying I no longer want to call these Type 1, Type 2. I'm going to try to get this going. Everybody help me spread the word, right? I'm putting my foot down saying Type 1, Type 2 is not creative. Doesn't take much to come up with something like that. I got a new idea. You guys ready? Help me with this. The one in the beginning of the year that's frequently called Type 1 with this beautiful eagle on the back. I love this design. I mean, who doesn't love that eagle, right? This is no longer a Type 1. You know what this is? This is the American Silver Eagle Classic. This is the Classic Edition, the Classic version, the ASEC, the American Silver Eagle Classic, not Type 1. How creative is Type 1? Seriously, folks, help me out. Everybody start calling this the American Silver Eagle Classic, not Type 1. All right. And then Type 2 going forward, I'm going to call Type 2 the American Silver Eagle Reborn. Reborn, that's right. ASERB. So we have the ASEC, the Classic, and the ASERB, the Reborn. Isn't that better than Type 1, Type 2? Come on, folks. We got to do better than that. Type 1, Type 2. Come on. Let's do better. All right. So you're probably wondering, why did I buy 21 of them? Why did I buy 21 of the American Silver Eagle Classics? Well, because I've got a spot for this one. And I'm going to put it in there. So we'll put this whole roll aside. This is going to be wrapped up, put away nice and safe. My full tube of the American Silver Eagle Classic. Classic, help me out there, folks. All right. And this next one is going to go into my American Silver Eagle, actually American Eagle Silver Dollar, they call it in this album. 1986 through blank. And this is the, you can see the number of the album right here, the 71, I can't get it in there. 7181. So if you're looking for one, that's the number of the album. And gives some great information over here about the American Silver Eagle. And you get one for every year, right? Starts with 1986. This page goes through to 1994. And you can see the backs of them over here. Very nicely displayed, right? Pretty nice. All right. And this page starts with 1995, goes all the way through to 2003. Pretty nice. Okay, and you can see the backs of them over here. Pretty nice. And on this page, you start at 2004. Come down to 2012. One for each year, folks. That one's nice and toned, the 2010. There's some beautiful. That one's nice and toned. What year is that one from the front side? It's a 1995. This is a 96. That's got a little bit more value than most of them. And so we're back to 2012. And here we go, the last page. 2013 through, oh my, 2021. And guess what I've got here? A 2021. Before I put that in there, I just want to show you that on the back here, they show you all the years. Kind of hard to see. Starts at 1986. They made over 5 million of them. And it goes down and shows you all the mintages for the different ones, the P's and the W's. And all the way up to 2013 anyway. They stop at 2013, which is kind of strange. When the book goes up higher than that, they probably, made the book in 2014 or something. This is a Dansko album. And Dansko is pretty popular for their albums. And so it's got some good stats on the back here for you as well. But we're going to put my 36th coin, is it? Let's see. There's 9, 18, 27, 36 ounces of American Silver Eagle goodness. All right, so for those of you not familiar, there's two different plastic pieces over here. There's one for the front and there's one on the back. So these are all hidden behind this clear piece of plastic. So if I can get one of them out, might be kind of hard to see. You can see it sliding out right there. Pull this one out. You can see it's coming. Stop right at the edge. Oh, let me get my 2021 coin ready. Stop at the edge. I don't want to pull it all the way out because I'll have to get it back in. And we're going to put this beautiful 2021 American Silver Eagle Classic Edition into my album. We're going to push it down. Get it down low enough to slide this one past it. Can you see it? I have a hard time seeing it. It's right at the edge right there. Pushing it back over. Cover up all three of them. And boom, look at that, folks. Is that a beautiful album to hold or what? You know, with the price of American Silver Eagles, a complete collection in a book like this, not a bad thing to have, is it, folks? Not a bad thing to have at all. So, yep, pretty darn nice. So that's why I got 21 of them. I wanted to fill this album with that last one, which is right here. Right there she is. And if you notice, these albums are put together with screws and they're different pages, kind of like. So in theory, you could probably fit another page or two. If they wanted to come out with a new page, you could probably put another page. But I think with it going all the way through to where they stopped making the American Eagle Classic, American Silver Eagle Classic 2021, this works out well. Nice full book, 36 years, 36 ounces of pure American silver. And I am very happy with that. So we got the book filled. We got a brand new roll of 2021 American Silver Eagle Classics. And let's do it, folks. Let's change the name. Let's make it a classic and then a reborn. All right? Sounds good, right? You remake something, you bring it back out, it can be reborn, rebirthed. So I thought reborn would be kind of cool. And there you go. Some brand new 2021 American Silver Eagle Classics. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.